What is going on YouTube? In this video we're going to be reviewing a waterproof, dustproof, ruggedized case for the Xiaomi Fimi X8 SE. As usual, if you like this video, hit that thumbs up button. And if you find the Duranified channel contents valuable and useful, smash that subscribe button. Alright, let's get into the review. And thanks for watching. Here we go. Alright guys, just got this new case for the Fimi X8 SE. You can see it's a ruggedized case. It is designed to take a beating. Easy to carry, has a nice comfortable handle, is rugged. And then what you see here, it has a pressure release valve right here. So when you go up in altitude, like getting on a plane, this case will seal. This will airtight. So you will have to release the pressure on it by opening this pressure release valve when you land again. All right. The other thing to note here, it does have a very nice name tag location, so you can put your name tag on it, right? It has two ear holes right here for your lock. Boom, boom. It does have these shoulder strap on right here and here. Nice to open the case. You just pull the bottom. Boom, boom. And here's how this works. You can see that this guy spring loaded right there to open this up. Okay, all right, let's open it up and let's get into it, right? Just like Christmas. All right, so there you go. All right, so it has two mesh pockets up front. I'm currently using them for my cables and for my spare props. You can see behind my red spare props here. And then the nice thing about it, this is where the controller is, right? And I'm going to move the camera up a little closer so you guys can see. There we go. And point it down a little bit more. There it is. So the controller, you do not have to take the sticks off it because they have the cutouts right here, so that's very nice. One of the things that I did, I modified by cutting this foam out right here to get my thumb in here so I can pull the battery out, because the battery compartment, it's super nice and snug and it's contoured perfectly. So the battery has a larger side on one side and a smaller side on the other. You can see the contour here. This is the larger section and this is the smaller section. And this is where the battery slides right in there. Boom, beautiful, right? Okay, so here comes the Fimi, and it fits in there really nice and well. You can see that is packed and protected well there in this nice waterproof case. So one of the things that I use is these super dry packs from the electronics. They come in those packages that you receive from Amazon or Banggood or AliExpress or whatever. And I stuck 2 of these in here because the seal on this is a really nice rubber seal. You can see it right here all the way around. And this rubber seal mates right here with this lip, this male lip. So that's the female. And when you close it, it keeps all that moisture in there. So if you put moisture in electronics, it's no good, right? So as you all know too well, you guys mentioned to put rice in here when I did the tear down on my Fimi and where I had to wash it because it landed in the water. This is how I'm doing it. I'm just using this gel packs, silica gel packs, to put them in here. Alright, so moving on, what I wanted to show you is I cut out this section right here so I can get my thumb in here so I can pull the Fimi out. I couldn't get the Fimi out before because it was just so tight. It fits so nice and tight in here. And now I have access to get my thumb in here just enough to get that out of there. But as you can see, everything fits in here super nicely, right? Okay, moving on. Let's go to this section here. This is the section I'm currently storing my ND filters at, right? So I'm currently storing 2 ND filters in this case that I got from my dentist. And I'm probably going to figure out a way to get 2 of these in here. And that way I can at least carry 4. But my goal is to get 6 ND filters in here. And I think I'm just going to figure out how to store them up here in the mesh bag. So the next place we're going to is this lower right hand quadrant. It's got your accessory bay right there. And this is really, it wasn't designed for the charger. I'm just using it for that because right now my charger sits in the additional battery bay. You can see right here, this is actually a battery bay, and I had to make another cutout right here so I can get my finger in there. And what I did, I used one of those X-Acto knives that you can have and long blades so I can cut it. Came in here and I just started sawing it and cut out the foam. So yeah, so that's it. So to store everything back there, I just put the battery in. I'm sorry, I put the AC power pack in first, slide it down, and then I slide the cables in right behind it. And it doesn't fit in here the best, but it fits good enough, right? You can see that I'm having to fight it a little bit. There we go. So one of the other things that I mentioned earlier was, let's slide this over, this guy. And these are your shoulder strap hooks that allows you to slide in and out. Because sometimes you don't want hooks that could, a branch would come along and snag it if you're paddle boarding, or if you had it in a canoe or something like that, it could hit it and just pull it off the boat or pull it out of the paddle board, right? So that's kind of nice. And there's another one on this side you can see right here. There we go. So that is pretty much it on this case. It is a very nice case. Really like it. It stores everything very nicely and neat in here. And most importantly, safe from the elements and waterproof set. So it locks down. You push in the middle. Boom. Nice. Okay. And that's it, guys. That is it on the case. And of course, the last thing I should mention is this. There's a location to put your name and your address and your finder's fee right there, you can see. And again, I want to thank you guys for watching this video, watching the Duranify channel. There's your name tag right there. As usual, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like the contents of the channel, hit that subscribe button, guys. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.